Hi there, future scientists and math wizards. Welcome to Smile Road. I'm Sir M, and I created this channel just for you, senior high school students looking to make science and math easier, clearer, and yes, even more fun. On Smile Road, we explore exciting lessons in general science, solve real life problems in general mathematics, and learn how the subjects connect to the world around us, from floating boats to your monthly budget. Each meeting, I'll guide you through lessons using simple explanations, real life examples, and even a few challenges to keep your brain sharp. Whether you're reviewing for exams, catching up on class topics, or just curious about how the world works, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you won't miss any of our learning adventures here on Smile Road. So, are you ready to start this journey with me? Let's walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Lesson number 9, calculating percentage discounts. Intended learning outcomes. By the end of this lesson, students should be able to A. Define discount and explain its purpose in business and consumer transactions. Letter B. Differentiate percentage discount, discount amount, and sale price. Letter C. Apply formulas to calculate discount amount, sale price, and percentage discount given cost and selling price. Letter D. Solve real-life problems involving discounts in various contexts like retail, bulk buying, promotions. Letter E. Analyze how discounts affect business profit and consumer decision making. Have you ever been excited to see a 50% off sign at the mall or online? That's because discounts make products more affordable, encouraging customers to buy. For businesses, discounts are marketing tools. For consumers, they are opportunities to save money. However, knowing how to calculate discounts is important so you know exactly how much you save and how much you pay. Key concepts. What is a discount? A discount is a reduction from the original price of an item. It is usually expressed as a percentage of the original price. List price or LP or original price, the price before discount. Discount rate, DR, that's the percentage of the original price that is reduced. Discount amount, DA, the peso value reduced from the price. Sale price, SP, the price after discount. So, the formula number 1, discount amount, DA is equals to LP times DR. Number 2, selling price. Okay, so we have SP is equals to LP minus DA. Or directly, SP is equal to LP times 1 minus DR. Finding the discount rate if you know the LP and the SP. DR is equal to LP minus LP over LP times uh, 100%. Example, a pair of shoes has a list price of 2,000 pesos. It is sold at a 20% discount. So solution, our discount amount is 2,000 times 0.2. So you have 400. And then the selling price will be 2,000 pesos minus 400 is equal to 1,600 pesos. The interpretation would be the customer saves 400 pesos and pays 1,600. Example number 2. A gadget is sold for 8,500 after a discount. If the original price was 10,000 pesos, find the discount rate. So solution, the discount amount is 10,000 divided minus 8,500, and that is equivalent to 1,500 pesos. The discount rate therefore is equal to 1,500 divided by 10,000 times 100%, that is now equivalent to 15%. Letter C, real-life applications. We have seasonal sales, Christmas, back to school, clearance sales. Then we have bulk buying offers. We also have student and senior citizen discounts. We also have online store promo codes. And also we have negotiation in wholesale and retail markets. So common learners' mistakes to avoid. Number 1, forgetting to convert percent to decimal before multiplying. Number 2, subtracting percentage directly instead of using the formula. Number 3, using the sale price instead of list price when computing discount amount. Number 4, rounding too early. Always round only at the final step. So key takeaways. We should know that discounts are reductions from the original price, and this is of course often expressed as percentages. And the key relationship is sale price equal to the list price minus the um, discount amount. And of course, understanding discount calculations helps in budgeting, shopping wisely, and business pricing strategies. And the formulas that we are going to use, other than formulas mentioned, are the following. So we have discount amount. So DA is equals to the list price times the discount rate. Number 2, the sale price, which can be computed in two different ways. So the first is selling price equals to the list price minus the discount amount, or the selling price equal to the list price times 1 minus discount rate. And discount rate can be computed if you know the list price and the selling price. That will be DR is equals to the list price minus the sale price divided by the list price times 100%. Number 4, list price formula if you know the selling price and the discount rate. So LP is equal to the sale price divided by 1 minus discount rate. Practice problems. So we have number 1. A pair of jeans has a list price of 1,500. If the store offers a 15% discount, find the discount amount and the sale price. So we're given the list price 1,500 pesos. Discount rate is 15%. Required the discount amount. Letter B, sale price. So solution, A, discount amount is equal to 1,500 times 0.15, So you have 225 pesos. Letter B, sale price equals to 1,500 minus 225 is equal to 1,275. And the final answers are A, 225 pesos, letter B, 1,275. Let's proceed to practice problem number 2. A mobile phone costs 18,500 before discount. If the sale price is 16,280 pesos, calculate the discount rate. Given original price 18,500, sale price is 16,280. Required the discount rate. So solution, the discount amount is equivalent to 18,500 minus 16,280, and that is equivalent to 2,220 pesos. The discount rate is equal to 2,220 pesos divided by 18,500 times 100 is equal to 12%. So the final answer, the discount rate is 12%. Number 3, a jacket is sold for 1,200 after a 25% discount. Find the original price. The original price is the same as the list price. So given the sale price is 1,200. Discount rate is 25%. So required the original price. Solution, the sale price is equal to the original price divided by times 1 minus 0.25. So we have 1,000, substitute the sale price 1,200, and then the 1 minus 0.25 is 0.75. From there, the original price can be calculated using 1,200 divided by 0.75. Use cross multiplication in that process. So the final answer is 1,600 pesos. Number 4, a washing machine has a list price of 22,000 pesos. If the discount is 3,300 pesos, determine the discount rate and the sale price. So we're given list price 22,000. The discount amount is 3,300. So require the discount rate and the sale price. So the discount rate is equal to 3,300 divided by 2,000 times 100 is equivalent to 15%. The sale price is equal to 22,000 minus 3,300, and that is 18,700 pesos. So the final answer, the DR is 15% and the SP is 18,700 pesos. Number 5, a toy store gives a 12% discount on a doll price at 850 pesos. Find the sale price. List a given. The LP is 850 pesos. DR 12%. Required the SP. So solution, DA is equals to 850 times 0.12 is equal to 102 pesos. And therefore, the SP is equals to 850 minus 102. The final answer is 748. So we will have the next part of this lesson, number 9.